Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we dive into the feature-packed and budget-friendly Amazfit Active 2, a smartwatch redefining affordability and functionality. Announced at CES 2025 in Los Angeles, this device has garnered much attention for delivering premium features at an incredible price point. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or simply someone looking for a versatile and stylish wearable, the Amazfit Active 2 has something for everyone. Let's explore all the details and see why this smartwatch stands out in a competitive market. Pricing and models. The Amazfit Active 2 comes in two models. The standard version priced at $99 and the premium version at $129.99. The premium version offers enhanced durability with scratch-resistant sapphire glass and a sophisticated black leather strap, accompanied by a sporty red silicone band for versatility. Both models use standard attachment bands, making it easy to swap them for your preferred style. This flexibility in customization is perfect for users who want their smartwatch to match their aesthetic. Display and design. The Amazfit Active 2 boasts a 1.32-inch circular AMOLED display with a crisp 466 by 466 resolution and 2 nits brightness, ensuring excellent visibility even in bright sunlight. Encased in a sturdy stainless steel 44mm case, the watch offers a sleek and modern design. While the size is ideal for most users, many are hoping for a more compact version in the future to cater to those who prefer smaller watches. Health and fitness tracking. Health tracking is at the core of the Amazfit Active 2. Equipped with the advanced BioTracker 6.0 ppg biosensor, the smartwatch delivers accurate and detailed monitoring of your heart rate, sleep patterns, and blood oxygen levels. Additionally, it measures stress levels and skin temperature and provides readiness scores to help you optimize your daily routine. Alerts for high or low heart rates, low blood oxygen levels, and elevated stress levels ensure you stay on top of your health. For fitness enthusiasts, the Amazfit Active 2 offers an impressive 164 preset workout modes, including high-intensity interval training, HIIT, strength training, and even a unique high-rock race mode. The watch syncs seamlessly with popular apps like Strava, Adidas Running, Google Fit, and Apple Health. The Zepp Coach and Zepp app further enhance your fitness journey with personalized insights and recommendations. Connectivity and navigation. The Amazfit Active 2 is equipped with Bluetooth 5.2 and BLE for smooth connectivity and supports NFC for contactless payments in select regions. Its circularly polarized antenna technology ensures precise GPS tracking, and the integration of 5 satellite positioning systems enhances location accuracy. A standout feature is its offline map support, allowing users to download maps and navigate routes without needing a smartphone. This feature is particularly beneficial for outdoor enthusiasts and runners who prefer to leave their phones behind. Battery life. Battery performance is a critical aspect of any smartwatch, and the Amazfit Active 2 does not disappoint. Its 270 mAh battery provides up to 10 days of regular use, 5 days under heavy usage, and approximately 21 hours of continuous GPS tracking. This makes it an excellent companion for extended trips or intense workout sessions. Water resistance and durability. With a 5 ATM water resistance rating, the Amazfit Active 2 is suitable for swimming and water-based activities. Its durable build ensures it can withstand the rigors of an active lifestyle, making it a reliable choice for users who demand style and substance. Global availability. The Amazfit Active 2 is already shipping in the United States, with global availability expected in February 2025. Its combination of affordability, features, and design has the potential to make it a favorite among budget-conscious consumers worldwide. Final thoughts. The Amazfit Active 2 is a testament to how far smartwatches have come in delivering exceptional value without compromising on features. At under $130, it's a game-changer in the wearable tech space. Whether you opt for the standard or premium version, this smartwatch ensures you get a robust set of features at an unbeatable price. If you're looking for a smartwatch that balances functionality, style, and affordability, the Amazfit Active 2 deserves a spot on your wrist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let us know if you're planning to get the standard or premium model. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest tech trends right here on Technology in the Future.